Mindfulness, anything else? God, help me out.
Being complete.
Being complete. Yeah. I think that the key to that is in that word being, isn't it? The whole within ourselves, on our psyche being separated and divided through that noise in your head. That's what it's been with everything else too. That state of being. It's being within yourself, it's being with other people, it's being in the world. The state of being. That bird is embodying now. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I think, I don't know, do you think people like this tune? I wish I was a larch. No, it's just so bloody happy it can't help itself but sing, can it? It's mindfulness, anything else? Anything else?
Not being distracted by
Being distracted by thoughts. Oh, that implies a shift of mind, you see. Because who's not being distracted? Not the thoughts being distracted by the thoughts. There's somebody aware who's aware of the distraction. And that's mindfulness. Is mindfulness anything else? Connection. It is, isn't it? You see that the present moment is that point of singularity. It is the point where the universe arises. So when we're connected, we're in that focus, that point, ultimately there's a connection to everything. Connection to people, and we've all felt that here. We've only been here a few hours, but that connection's already happening, isn't it? And there's something else going on there. Nobody really cares what anybody does for a living or what kind of car they drive or about how big their house is. Nobody gives a flying fuck. Right? Because that's not the level you're connecting on, is it? Yeah, you're connecting on something else. So there's a collective there that you're plugging into. But beyond that, that doesn't stop with people. The bird too, and the sunshine and the trees and everything in nature is connected. We'll explore this more in my second talk tomorrow. But yes, it's connection. Is mindfulness anything else?
I was going to say disconnection.
Disconnection. Yeah. It's disconnecting from what's not real. This is an issue I have with people sometimes and others. How we switch you off? No. You're switched off. You're living in a dream. You're responding to a fantasy in your head. You're living your life through this mind-made drama, this soap opera of me. Yeah, we're unplugging from that, all right? Because that's shit. And all the time we're doing that, we're not even alive. Doesn't matter how wonderful your dream is, it's no substitute for being alive. So we're disconnecting from everything that is not real.
That's what I meant.
Yeah, I know. I get you. I'm just using this as a teaching opportunity. Sorry, you're my victim. No, I get that. Yeah.